Another day just closed in the stock market, so let's talk about it. So kicking things off, all three markets ended in the red, led by horrible PPI numbers as well as inflation concerns. And here's a look at today's highlights that I'll be going over. Now leading up to the PPI report, markets already started to fall. Since PPI is an indicator of inflation, having these numbers come in elevated like that is a concern for the economy. Now it's worth noting that this data was before the conflicts with Iran. Now one of the major headlines that we did have was Trump waives the Jones Act for about 60 days. Now the benefit of this is that hopefully it's going to stabilize the oil markets as well as allow resources to go in and out through the US ports. Here's more information on the Jones Act. And now for the most important highlight of the day, the FOMC rate decision and Jerome Powell's speech. The Fed did end up holding rates, which came from an 11-1 vote. Now here's some key highlights from Jerome Powell's speech that highlighted inflation. Also here are some headlines regarding Iran. Now with all that out of the way, let's take a look at tomorrow's schedule. Just a reminder, these are in Eastern Standard Time, so at 8:30 in the morning we have unemployment claims, and at 10 a.m. we have new home sales. These are the two hottest data points for tomorrow. As for earnings, nothing super crazy. BABA might be worth a look, as well as Planet Labs, and lastly Gemini, which reports after market close. So that does conclude today's highlights, and I will see you guys tomorrow.